What is up, you guys? I am hyped for this video. So today I'm going to try out the Google Ads and promoting your videos on YouTube because I just started a new niche, and let's just say that the views haven't been the highest for this one. However, my views for everything else has been really good, so I just noticed that my subscribers aren't really into investing and making money, which is completely okay because, you know, they were into the cars and the vlogs, so that's alright. So we're gonna go ahead and try to jump this up because I really don't want to it was hard. It was hard to push to 10,000 subscribers and get views on all these videos as like a year's worth of work. And so I just want to go ahead and kind of jump this up, but I don't know. I've never really done Google Ads. I've never really done any types of promotions like these. So we're gonna go ahead and just try it out and see what happens. So
24 hours later.
All right, it's been a day. We have the results. We have the trading credit spreads one at 261 views. Originally it was at 11 views. We have the I tried trading options for a week. Was originally at 78 views. Now it's at 348 views. And then the stock market crash one didn't even run. I don't know if it's because I put stock market crash in the video, but it just didn't even go through. But that's okay because I put the budget at $10 each, and they were starting to go over it. So these started to hit 13 bucks, and I saw that I kind of turned them off manually because I was like, okay, I don't want to spend too much on this. But anyway, so that's the views we got here. As far as engagement goes, for the credit spread one, I only got 2 new people who commented on the stuff that weren't already there. So engagement wasn't great. I tried trading options one didn't get any engagement, and this kind of is a little weird for me because the one that I did with the trading options for a week was getting such good engagement originally beforehand, so I knew the video was good. People liked the video, so I don't know why, but in my essence, the $20 that I spent on this for about 500 views was not worth it. And the reason I say that is just because the engagement wasn't good. I didn't get any drastic new subscribers. I might have gotten a couple, but not enough to where it was I saw the big difference, you know, especially with my account that already has 10,000 subscribers. It didn't seem like there was a big jump in it. So I wouldn't say the engagement's there. I would say that 20 bucks would be way better spent if you went to a theme page. Let's say you do, you know, for me, the finance videos, and you go ahead and advertise, you know, your channel on one of those finance Instagram pages that has a big following. I think you get much better engagement because you'd be taking some of their followers versus Google trying to find you viewers. And I thought that it might have been a premium type of thing, but it just wasn't. So with that being said, that is to effectively end this video, you guys. If you liked it, please go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. If you guys want to try this out, let me know how it goes for you guys. But as far as for me, I'm going to stay away from the Google Ads and promoting the videos. I didn't find it was worth it. Too much money. I thought the engagement was going to be really good, and it just wasn't. If you want views, I mean, I would never say to go get bots on your channel, but that might even be better than doing the Google Ads. So anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right down below here, and go ahead and comment whatever you want to type in. It really helps the algorithm, and if you could gently just destroy the like button for me, that would be great. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.